Hi, this is Chris from LexicalNotebook.com. Today we're going to answer the question how to use your vocabulary notebook to learn new words in English. 7 tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Read your most recent notes. As simple as that. Whenever you have time, read your most recent entries. Maybe before your English lessons or while you're going to school or to work. It doesn't take more than 15 minutes a day. Tip number 2. Use your notes. If you have an opportunity to speak English to someone, in class or in real life, choose some words or expressions from your vocabulary notebook to use. You can choose, for example, 5 words and use them in the conversation. Keep track of the words you used so you can try different words next time. Tip number 3. Trigger your memory. Go over the page of your notebook and look just at the topic or look just at the index entry. Can you remember 5 words or expressions you wrote down on that page? Later, you can check if you are correct or not. This is a great way to activate your memory in a few minutes. Tip number 4. Revisit older notes. It's not because you have already learned these words or expressions that you should not visit them anymore. If you don't go back to these words from time to time, it's likely you will forget them. So revisit older notes once a month or every 2 months, but look at them so you can activate your memory. Tip number 5. Keep adding. A topic is hardly ever done. You can keep adding new words or expressions as you learn them. This way, you can link the new words you're learning to the ones you already know, and then you save them in your brain under the same category. This is a great technique to remember words better. Tip number 6. Test yourself. One of the easiest and more effective ways to study is to create questions and try to answer them as if you were the teacher creating the test for the students. You can write 5 questions based on one topic and try to answer these questions 2 or 3 days later. Then you use your notebook to check if they were correct or not. Tip number 7. Expand your vocabulary. A great way to expand your vocabulary is to think of 5 different ways to say something, or 5 things that are connected to these words. You can use a website like Thesaurus.com for synonyms to check 5 different ways to say a word. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel Lexical Notebook. See ya! Bye bye!